welcome to the MJR AI platform. This video will guide you in creating your first project with the MJR Robotics AI platform. For first-time users, click Get Started to create your free account with MJR AI. Fill out the form, then click Create Account. An email with a validation link will be sent to your inbox. Open your email account and click the validation link sent to you. Inside your dashboard, click the Create New Project button. A window will open asking you to choose your build path. For this demo, we will choose Hardware mode. This will require you to install the MJR AI client, which you can download for free. The client contains a pre-configured Arduino CLI that has our latest collection of libraries for every hardware and sensor you will use to build your project. Click Windows if you are on a Windows PC, scroll down, then click Download. Now go to your Downloads folder and click Install. After installation, click the Check Again button for the MJR AI platform to verify the installation. Once the MJR AI client is detected, you can now proceed to choose how to create your first hardware composition. We will choose Wizard Guide. The Wizard Guide will walk you through the steps. First, we need to choose the type of MCU board we will be using. Click the Arduino Uno board. Next, you will be presented with categories of different components you can choose and select. For our demo, swipe the selection category to Audio and click the buzzer. Next, swipe back to Display and choose the LED component. Then we proceed to the next step, where we can review and confirm our selections. After reviewing, we can now proceed to the final wizard step. Here, we can choose how to connect our chosen MCU board and components. For this demo, we will choose manual wiring. You will now be redirected to the hardware assembly sketch. Let's enlarge the board and the components for better viewing of the pins. Then click the wire tool and start wiring the components. Check the connections, and if everything looks good, click Complete Hardware Setup. Now on this section, we need to tell MJR AI what we want to build with our selection. Hi MJR, I'd like you to make the buzzer play the tune of Twinkle Little Star and make the LED blink along with the tune. After typing your idea, click Continue to preview. On this section, you can make a final review of your setup and pin configurations. If you need changes, you can always go back and make some edits if needed. If everything is good, then click Analyze Your Idea. MJR AI will now check the setup and your idea and will give its analysis and understanding. Read the response, and if satisfied, click the Generate Source Code button. MJR AI will now prepare the initial proposed hardware code so you can upload and test with your prototype. This section also allows you to do your manual edits and code changes. For this demo, we will replace the delay of 2000 to 1000 and click Save. We can also ask MJR AI to do some complex code modifications if needed. For this demo, we will ask MJR AI to add some modifications to the code too. Hello MJR! Add a serial message where it prints the lyrics of Twinkle Little Star as it plays the melody. MJR AI will tell you the estimated time it will take to make some code edits or modifications. Click Yes to proceed. After a while, MJR AI will walk you through the section of the code where it will make modifications and the code edits it will make. Review and click Accept if you want the changes to take place. Then click Save. Now connect your board and click Detect Board. MJR AI will now scan your computer for any MCU boards connected to your PC. Once done, it will automatically use the USB port connection where the board is detected. Set the board selector to Arduino Uno. You can now click the Upload button for the code to be compiled to your board. MJR AI will now start to compile and upload the code to your board. Once done, you can check your actual hardware. We can also click Serial Monitor and set the communication speed as stated in the code. In this demo, our code sets the communication to 9,600. Once set, click Start, and you can now see what your board is printing on the serial port. We can also ask MJR AI to read the serial messages and check if everything is working well. Save your project so you can go back anytime for changes and modifications. Now you are ready to start bringing your idea to life with the MJR AI platform. Happy building with MJR AI platform. See you next time.